I am not in the camp that thinks that zoos shouldn't exist, but I do think that we should be doing a good job of taking care of those animals because they're doing a service. So I have been trying to make zoo animals live happier and more fulfilling lives. What I do at F&M now is sort of tool and technique development. Like, let's come up with a new way to measure welfare. Let's try to prove that reptiles have feelings and want things. It's a lot of development of new and innovative ideas. I teach the research design and statistics course, and that underpins everything we do. Teaching is the thing I love most about my job. I have been working particularly to make my classes places where every student can thrive and grow. There's a population of students who come here because they know they like research and they want that experience. I love working with them. I also love finding the students who didn't know research was a thing and are surprised by how much they like it. I tend to really like animals that we don't understand very well. The intellectual puzzle is definitely part of the attraction, and there's a moral piece too. So in the same way that I really believe every student should be able to get an education and achieve their goals, I really believe every animal should live in a situation where they're not terrified all the time. I feel like if I can advance both of those causes, then I'm doing the right thing.